Hello guys, starting off with our Twitter account, we must change our password. Your password should be at least 8 letters long with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Activate the two-factor authentication for added layer of security. Twitter also allows you to see connected apps and devices. Make sure that only authorized apps and devices are connected. Otherwise, you can remove the unauthorized connections in the apps and sessions under security. Make sure that only your followers can see your tweets and direct message you. Make your account more private by turning off the location and discoverability option. Remove all location information attached to your tweets. Twitter also allows you to mute and block accounts. We must change our password. Just like Twitter, IG also allows you to see and edit logged-in devices. Turn on the two-factor authentication for added security. IG has an option for you to choose your preferred method. Instagram shows emails associated with it to verify emails sent by IG if they are real or fake. Make yourself more private by only allowing authorized followers to see, comment, tag, mention, and message you. Turn off your activity status as well as making your account private. Just like Twitter, you can mute, block, and report accounts. But IG has one more option, which is to restrict accounts. You can also hide your stories from certain accounts and know if the account is legit by looking at the About This Account option. You can remove unwanted followers, unlike Twitter. We should change our password. Just like the social media accounts, iCloud allows you to see and edit connected devices. Unlike the mentioned social media accounts, which offers variety of security measures, iCloud has only a two-factor verification and mainly depends on the security measures of your device. So make sure your device is updated and well secured. Click on the security checkup to see compromised passwords and the devices and apps connected. Change the compromised password as well as make sure the two-factor verification is turned on. Click the privacy checkup and follow Google's privacy instructions. You can also manage the privacy of your YouTube account as well as your Google Photos. Make sure people won't find you through your number by turning this option off. All accounts have two-factor verification method, allows you to see and edit connected or logged-in devices and applications. So, IG, Twitter, and Google offers options in the two-factor verification for you to choose which method you prefer. Twitter offers additional password protection, which adds security by requiring additional information to reset your password. Unlike Twitter and the mentioned online accounts, Instagram shows emails associated with it to verify if they are real or fake. You can also remove unwanted followers and hide offensive comments. Just like Twitter, you can mute, block, and report accounts, but IG has one more option, which is to restrict accounts. Both social media accounts have the option of making the account private and allows you to control who can tag or mention you. Unlike Twitter, IG, and iCloud, Google has security and privacy shortcuts and checkup, which saves time and is a lot more easier to use. Google offers a variety of security measures, more than the mentioned social media accounts and iCloud, such as it automatically deletes web and app activity and blocking the access of less secure apps. I think that Google is more secure than iCloud. iCloud is just an online account for Apple users for them to email and store data, and is mainly dependent on your device's security measures, while Google, which offers a lot of services from search engines to cloud computing. IG has better security and privacy measures than Twitter. All in all, Google is much safer than Twitter, Instagram, and iCloud.